Keep vibing on the E-Vibes.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy BJ. I know you love that because me said that song at 8AB. I don't want to be a player no more. The beat, bro. And in the studio, I got my man who's ready to take you on a bumpy ride. I told you. Y'all need to put it back because I got Buckman in the house all the way from KKKKKK. I'm with Drew Fit. Let's keep it real. Your Buckman was really popping.
BJ, cool.
Why they look fresh?
Why you do look fresh?
Me, I dress in black. Everyone knows my national anthem is black.
I wonder why you did black. Cause me, I did black. I know you go deep plastic or this thing. You're right up with.
Yeah, see.
But you change up. Why? Now you know I go deep black.
Yeah, I go deep black. Yeah, I can't say. Okay, at least you come for fun. You can buy some for this career. So we understand the safer. But what's up? What they having for your body?
Okay, cool.
You're kind of what the pop.
You're managing.
Yeah, you're
managing.
As you say, you fly too much. Then pool videos, then bedroom videos, then
see.
car video, then See the laugh. See the laugh. You know if you talk safe.
But you know what you say, what you say.
Yeah,
I don't know what you're trying to say. But, what are you trying to say?
What the hell am I trying to say? I'm trying to say, nigga, I feel like, buddy, like, show me the money. Yo, it's a special that he's keeping it real and it's locked on here and right about now. So, Buck, what's happening? What's happening, man? What's happening inside?
All right. Really popping, like we are managing how to come to the limelight with our music and those
I thought you're already in the limelight though, because I mean, dude, you see the bling on your shirt, too.
I
am. You like to hit them or like to get the line.
I am, but not to the extent that I'm looking for.
Oh, okay, all right.
So right now, I'm just pushing things
into places
so that everything will go to the level I want.
You want to make them tight?
Seriously.
Virgin tight.
Yo,
we just being real, ladies and gentlemen. We're here with Buckman. Let's keep it real, and y'all ready for a shootout? Let's keep it real. Alright, so Buckman, you ready to keep it real?
For real.
Alright, good. So tell me, who's Buckman?
Where should I start from? Buckman.
If it's a Joanna say.
Buckman. His real name is Asante Buckman.
Oh, okay.
So I'm using Buckman as my showbiz name.
Alright, so you're using your last name as your showbiz name.
Yeah, for real.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. Then I started music way back. Buckman, right now, Buckman is a musician from Ghana, having 6 singles from his upcoming album.
Okay.
That's the album title. And then there was B.
Okay.
Then there was B.
And then there was B.
Right now I have 6 singles from it. That's Tonight is the Night, Future Sunshine, I Would Die For You, current one that I just dropped, Tafre Ba, and so on.
Tafre Ba.
And then I have a visual video for that Tafre Ba.
Tafre
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
I believe.
I hear some song. It say, "Girl, I wanna taste your ice cream." What kind of ice cream?
I wanna lick that ice cream.
Yo.
Hope you get it. That is it.
All right. So how's promotion for you? How's it going?
It's not that easy.
It's not that easy. And the shows? How the shows coming up?
Yeah, cool.
Shows.
For the shows, yeah, it's cool. At least I get some shows to play and do stuff.
Okay.
But it's not that easy that you see it in the music industry.
All right. So before we continue, ladies and gentlemen, but you know the rules, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So you think I'm ready? Go for inside. Ba. Ahoo. Let's go.
Keep vibing on the E-Vibes.
Buckman, baby. Sunshine, baby. Baby girl, you're my lover. Tonight is on my baby. Come make me fool, honey. So baby girl, you're my lover. Tonight is on my baby. Come make me fool, honey. You're my one, make you the pie. I cannot deny you go kill me, girl, so shy. You are the one in a million, cutie pie. Cannot deny, go me so shy. Yeah, I'm gonna be by your side. I'm gonna treat you so right. I will never leave you, deceive you, or diss you. Ain't it far? me found. Take on me, my baby. I need your love, my sweet chocolate. Yeah, I need you, I got it. I need your love, my sweet chocolate. Yeah, ordinary bone, never me offend my own, my friend, I know. Send me your so much as much in here. I am never sang and you want me to earn it tonight. So nice, so nice, tonight, tonight, so nice. Got tonight, so nice, tonight.
Yeah,
so
Buckman.
Sunshine, baby.
Yeah, I got so many girls in my hood, but still, it be you where I won't make love with. I got Sandra, Ida, Martina, Aisha, Barbara, Nedina. Baby girl, you say me want about me hustle cry. Look at the way I the beg, I the love you pa. Take them up for the can, hey Babylon. I go love you, hey you alone. It's the B to the U to the C to the K to the M to the A to the N. Buckman, the high voice. Yeah.
Baby girl, you're my lover. Tonight is on night, baby. Come make me feel honey, honey. Baby girl, you're my lover. Tonight is on night, baby. Come make me feel honey. I am not saying you want me 20 tonight. So nice, so nice, tonight, tonight, so nice. Got tonight, so nice, tonight, so nice. Sunshine, baby.
Yeah, I ain't got money, girl. I ain't got nothing, girl. But I'm trying my best. What let her feel? Yes, I'm a human. This is my brave. I say, or brand that my sweetie girl to my say. A woman so I want me, yeah, made I was say. Go to the good form inside the cell. I want fair, Miss Roy, and Nancy. Because I say, most can I go into to my say? Everyday club, everyday pop. Me Freddy me bush, and be me up too. Sana you know, when me hair so big fool. Baby girl, me know I make quite a fool. Ash, all the money per Jimmy. Yeah. Buckman, baby.
You're my one, you make you the pie. I cannot deny you go come, girl, so shy. You are the one in a million, cutie pie. Cannot deny you go come, so shy. Yeah, I wanna be by your side. I'm gonna treat you so right. I'll never leave you, deceive you, or diss you. Ain't it foul, don't wanna cook on me. Yeah, my me. Foul, don't wanna shush me. Foul, take on rock me, my.
Keep vibing on the E-Vibes.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're here with Buckman in the studio, and I'm keeping it straight up on your feet. It's looking so good because I'm keeping it on you. And right about now, I'll tell you Buckman, tell me,
Yo,
how'd you start music?
it's way back, like since my childhood coming. I've been doing music with my brother and my friends with some crew way back from 90s.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so to make a long story short story, let me pick it from 2003.
Okay.
Where I recorded my first demo at Head the Guitar Studio.
Okay.
The Guitar Studio at Asqua Kumasi.
Squawk, man.
Yeah, Kumasi Asqua. Head the Guitar Studio. Where part and continuing recorded their first
Oh, okay.
album. Yeah.
Alright, I might continue if you what. I don't think we hit it off.
So I've been doing music so officially. I took music officially 2003. So
Okay.
up till now, from 2003 to date, making it like 14 years in the music industry.
Alright.
So it's not easy, you see.
As long as I can definitely see you dressed in black so you can bury somebody in career. And you get a red bandana to Sin Danger. See you. This may be too trouble one God. Alright. So it's been a little tough on your side.
Yeah.
And then your shows are clingy as always. So how do you get your inspiration for writing a song? Where'd you get it from?
A lot. A lot. Especially when I see those that I started with. When I see them on big shows doing things, you see, then it boosts me. Like you see what I'm trying to say.
It just gives you a morale to want to even go harder.
Charlie, I started with them. Right now they are there. I gotta push hard
To get there.
to get there.
Yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. I like that drill. And also, like, before, I wanted to ask you, hey, this one there we go do it with the machine gun. Okay, let's go. Put it inside. Cock it back. Let's go. Ahoo, let's go.
Keep vibing on the E-Vibes.
Hey, alright. We can phone no, now that's me phone ma. Now my skin is up, believe was ice cream. Back my music. My shana chat, I'm sakano. And then ya come like so. That bros here came in Yesulu. I go play, I'm like the game Ludo. She says she will clap for me. All because I do, I'm like T. Tonight go lose, I'll be our Asante. Me favor get your song, I know bia. Me the sick as me the baby time show this. Boys I do I pull for pub. We dey see. Tonight go chill for Viana see. Me for Baba me a gaga. Me only part my say me feeling shy. And I struggle with the stars from the sky. Me can telephone no, now that's my phone man. Now my sick is up, believe was she. Buckman baby. 1, 2, 3. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah, listen, this too sweet. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah, Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah, listen, this too sweet. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. It's too sweet. Oh yeah,
Mama ain't afraid, my brain, my brain, this thing it is too sweet. I'm it afraid my brain, my brain,
woman with a big ass can't go wrong. That's right. Sadia, Bema, you have to be strong. Okay. Me a job here, and I'm here. Baby, see when I'm just make a car. Me put on about what I'm seeing, mama. Never saw now gonna hit the sasa. From boy, me don't grow to the samba. Mama ain't afraid back when. Listen, this too sweet. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah. Listen, this too sweet. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when.
It's too sweet.
Oh yeah.
I'm it afraid my brain, my brain, this thing it is too sweet. I'm it afraid my brain, my brain,
afraid back when. Listen, this too sweet. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah. Listen, this too sweet. Mama ain't afraid back when. Me too, it's your money there. Mama ain't afraid back when. Oh yeah. Dog Life Crew. TLC. She. Bmusic Entertainment.
Keep vibing on the E-Vibes.
Yo, what's good? Welcome back, guys. Hey, video, eh? Had the video something name back. The song something name back. How you get the inspiration to write that for the back?
It just came.
Just
Yeah, I was asleep, like when I wake up.
Were you sleeping alone when you wrote the song?
Oh yeah, for real.
That time you were sleeping alone.
alone. It just came to my it was just repeating like Tafra backwards. Then I gotta do something with it.
Hey, man, Ujidi saw that or that alone. He was sleeping alone. Ujidi, my concept no they agree.
But what do you think about that track? I don't know.
Don't bring yourself. Don't put me in your predicament.
You look as if you want to say something.
Me?
Yeah.
You're doing an explicit song. Who they ask you about?
Nah, Tafra Baku. What
Tafra Baku? What kind of Tafra Baku?
Tafra Bele Kakra.
Ojeko, Etafa Abele.
Abele, don't you Abele?
Hey, this guy, Theo, do you know the shape of Abele? And bro, you see Abele? Hey, this guy is poor. I go to play, you know for true Abele. Abele, you did you Abele?
No, you don't chew Abele.
You tell you say you don't chew Abele. The call, you don't chew,
Okay,
you don't chew
no,
call.
not that one that I'm talking about. It's like ice cream.
Yeah, quite with there.
Like ice cream.
See the way the girl said they do. I quite with there. On him saying him. Okay, all right. I'll let you get that on the past side. I'll let you get that on the past side. How is your response to your community? Like, how's your response in your community?
It's cool. It's cool. Like when I drop a track, the response and then the comments on my YouTube channel and those stuff. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Good.
But what I need from my supporters, my friends, my fans, my followers. I need their support, like support in financially, in spiritually, physically.
Not for emotional,
psychology, everything,
personally,
everything,
bombastically. So we do too personally from Space Square.
To push back my, to make my Backman music go high.
So basically, everybody wants Backman wants everybody to back him, man. Get it? Back him, man. So Backman wants someone to back him. So Backman. You get it?
Backman.
Yeah, so Backman. They almost sound like Batman backing Backman. So we will. Okay, so I know there's been like hindrances. How's your family feeling about you and your music?
They're okay with it.
They're okay with it. Cool. They give you full support.
Full support. My mom, my dad, my brothers, my sister. Oh, everybody is supporting it, and I like it a lot. You see, when you get such love from your family, then it pushes you to
do more and go further. That's very true.
That one, I appreciate it.
That's just okay. Good. Then that's a really good one. Okay, and also let's put it this way: how's the community ratios? Has anybody been a ratios perspective, like hate mail, attacks on you, like haters to talk shit for your back and things? Do you get any of them?
As a human being, you gotta be ready for everything.
So you're ready for it.
Criticize people will criticize that thing. You have to be ready for it.
Okay.
And to me, on social network, my Facebook account, I'm not really expecting people to praise me.
Oh, okay.
You got what I'm trying to say? I always like those that they disagree with what I posted there. So that one will let me know my point well.
Yeah.
The reason why I wrote that thing.
Okay. All right.
Praising you. Maybe you are doing wrong, but still they will be praising you. You have to get someone to, criticize what you're
doing. Yeah.
You see, don't expect everybody to praise you
all the time. All right.
So me, if you criticize me, I know it's a human nature, and I like that too. It keeps me go higher.
Okay, alright, ladies and gentlemen, sorry to say we are towards the end of the show, so we're gonna have my man Backman tell you guys to back him, man, how to back him and find him on that Backman. It's always on Backman, I know, right?
Yeah, for
I use so many Backman, I lose my Backman. But no worries, some girls will bring them a Backman. Alright, so how you gonna find him on social media? What's your handles on social media? Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You get MySpace or YouTube. How do we put it on there?
Yeah.
What's your handle on there?
On Facebook, I'm Backman the High Voice. Backman the High Voice on Facebook. Twitter at Backman GH. Instagram at Backman GH.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you still can't find Backman the High Voice, hit me up on eVibes. www.facebook.com/eVibesGH together, eVibesGH, or you can see my name at the bottom there. You gotta tag me too, it's real good. And also remember, we keep it real lock and loaded here every time on this Saturday. And funny enough, today is my birthday. This Saturday, today is my birthday, and I'll see how many people go wish me. I don't want you. Maybe we see what's up by the end of the night. The person who wish me more than 5 times, I go get you credit. You dey pop my face, you dey want the credit. Go wish. Hey, Cine flat stuff. You are banned from even wishing me some. I don't get you credit. You for wish me, but I don't get you credit. That one they cool. I say Instagram top. Ebenezer, I owe you credit. He laugh. My manager Marco. Let's get fashionable. So we're gonna hit it right about now. I put my gun in there. Okay, bye. Yeah, bye. We out. See you this week, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy BG Buckman in the studio, and it's been a wonderful time. I'm clearing out. I'll see you. Ow.
Keep vibing on the E-Vibes.
Your body they make me crazy. So baby girl, you are my honey, you are my baby, you are my shorty. How could I for you?
I say you're looking so nice. Your body they make me crazy. So baby boy, you are my honey, you are my baby, you are my sweetie. How could I for you?
When I see you move. I wanna to touch your body, try to prove, yeah, yeah. That I love it, true. I want you, make you my wife, that be true, yeah, yeah. So, yeah. I see you so nice. Your body they make me crazy. So baby girl, you are my honey, you are my baby, you are my shorty. How could I for you? I'm blessed to have you as my wifey. My wasting life on her for long tea. But no P, that's not my destiny. You're my real lover, we go stay together. Don't shake this one forever. Buckman the high voice when I'm a partner. Do you ever come here me to a savior? Me else girl, watch it in a home come so. Nyanya do man a fresh watch it in so. BUC carry JB what. Don't cry, this life is like that. Baby do my baby so baby girl, don't rush. Go back for it's not only Chris here. Oh yes, I'm not gonna be so who me see. Why me come ma? Why me fresh boy? Now they feel like people we see. I see you so nice. Your body they make me crazy. So baby girl, you are my honey, you are my baby, you are my shorty. How could I for you?
I say you're looking so nice. Your body they make me crazy. So baby boy, you are my honey, you are my baby, you are my sweetie. How could I for you?
My name is my fresh guy. I feel on me like the feeling so shy. Oh, that's so sad. Baby girl, you the feeling so bad. Oh, that's so sad. Baby girl, you the feeling